Welcome back to Gadget Beard, guys. Today we have a grip case for your Pixel 7a. Gadget Beard. Taking a look at the case here itself, this case comes from Tudia. It is their dual shield grip case for the Pixel 7a. It does come in different colors. It comes in gray that we have here in front of you, a light green, indigo blue, light blue, matte, and smoky pink. Without further ado, I want to go ahead and check out this gray one. Typical Tudia branding here, packaging as well. Unique design, protect the case, dual layer, clicky buttons, military gray drop protection. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbag this and see what we're working with. Easily able to unbag. As you can see, the inner pattern design here from Tudia with the Tudia branding smack down right there in the middle of the inside of the case. As they mentioned, it is a dual layer case. You do have soft CPU on the inside, hard plastic shell on the outside, and this hard plastic shell on the outside is patterned with this grippy like texture on the back to give you more added grip to the Pixel 7a. You do have Tudia branding there at the bottom of the case. At the bottom of the case, you do also have its cutouts, a little bit of grip here on the left side of the case, cutout on the top for the mic, covered buttons, and more grip pattern there on the right side of this beautiful case. But without further ado, let's go ahead and grab the Pixel 7a and see how well this case works for it. Pixel 7a here in C color. Bam, snaps right into place. I love it when a phone snaps right into place in the case. It means it's not gonna go anywhere. Super secured inside the case. So same thing here, nice and secured, feels very good in hand. Adds slim to no bulk to your Pixel 7a. Let's take a look at the cutouts here on top. Perfectly aligned and precise. On the right side of the phone, we do have the 100% cover buttons, nice and tactile, very responsive, feels nice and clicky. You do have a little bit of added grip pattern here on the side, a bunch of grip pattern here on the back. On the bottom, you do have your cutouts nicely and precise. Bam, look at that. Your charging port, mic, and speaker. Moving on to the left side, we have absolutely nothing on the left side but this added grip pattern here. And on the back, we do have the beautiful cutout for the camera. You do have a lip around that camera lens, so you are protected if you lay your phone flat down on a flat surface. It is not going to get damaged. You also have beautiful lip protection there all around that beautiful flat screen of the Pixel 7a. So you are protected if you lay your Pixel 7a face down on a flat surface. It's not gonna get scratched. It is also tempered glass screen protector friendly. I don't have a tempered glass currently installed, but I am getting one and it does support it. Moving on to wireless charging, you can wirelessly charge through the device with ease, no problem whatsoever. So there you have it, guys. This is the Tudia Merge Grip case for the Pixel 7a. If you're interested in this case, link will be in the description of the video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. And first impression of the case, I absolutely love the Tudia case. It's one of my favorite cases for any phone. Has a nice grip pattern on the back, feels very good in hand, very solid fit over the phone, and it's gonna give you the protection you need at a very, very minimal slim profile. Does not add too much bulk. It is gonna add a little bit, but not as much as these other bulky cases around. So if you're looking for that, please hit that link down in the description below. Again, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.